Here is the complete English installation guide for adding the PWA to your iPhone 11. 1. Open Safari and navigate to the website Safari or Chrome. Open the Safari app on your iPhone 11 and visit taiwanpeak.pages.dev. 2. Tap the Share button once the web page finishes loading. Tap the Share button located at the center of the bottom toolbar, the square icon with an arrow pointing upward. 3. Select Add to Home Screen. Scroll down through the Share Sheet menu and tap Add to Home Screen. 4. Confirm and complete installation. Review the app name. You can customize it if desired, then tap Add in the top right corner. Next, I will show you how to quickly generate a Tour du Mont Blanc (TMB) GPX track using the Taiwan Peak Mobile PWA. The fastest way is to copy and paste a pre-planned daily itinerary. I have decided to generate the entire route as a single GPX file, but you can certainly export each day as an individual file if you prefer, or use a combination of both methods. I believe one of the locations was a mistake on my part because the distance was too far, so I removed it. It's also great for you to see how to delete a waypoint as well. D1. Les Houches Les Contamines. D2. Les Contamines Les Chapieux. D3. Les Chapieux Refugio Elisabetta. D4. Refugio Elisabetta Courmayeur. D5. Courmayeur Refugio Bonatti. D6. Refugio Bonatti La Fouly. D7. La Fouly Champex-Lac. D8. Champex-Lac Trient. D9. Trient Tré-le-Champ / Argentière. D10. Tré-le-Champ Refuge La Flégère. D11. Refuge La Flégère Les Houches. In the video, search results display several options. I usually select the first closest match, but be sure to verify the list to avoid errors. Once a location is selected from the menu, the bottom map displays options for start, waypoint, and destination. I typically select waypoint, and the map will automatically calculate and sequence the entire route. I highly recommend using 2 fingers to slide across the map and 1 finger to tap. You probably noticed how fast this app is and the detailed data it delivers. Here is a quick look at what the route generation screen displays. Total walking distance. Net walking time. Cumulative ascent-descent. Route waypoints. Endpoint 5-day weather. Departure risk assessment. All of these provide accurate route details once selected. Oops, I forgot to mention the most essential elements at the bottom, the map and the elevation distance profile. Going through all that tedious page switching, copying, and pasting over and over took quite a while. I think I'll make a desktop walkthrough video next on my PC. I was able to calculate the entire 11-day TMB route in under 3 minutes. For now, I'll play some music for you while you sit back and watch the tedious copy-paste process.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. We crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine. When we wanna hear the ocean, I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. All nice. Paradise is wherever we make it. AC to 79. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same. Never you calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you'll always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right.
I've finally finished copying and pasting all the itineraries from my phone's Notes app. I honestly didn't expect the app to calculate and generate the accurate route faster than I could copy and paste. Just like that, the entire 11-day route is ready and saved to my phone. Next up is another core feature of the app, Start Navigation. You can find it by tapping the rightmost tab in the top menu. From there, you'll likely want to tap the yellow folder icon labeled Import GPX/KML at the bottom of the Start Navigation screen to load the GPX file you just created and view your route. I bet you're already eager to try out the simulated navigation, or perhaps you'd prefer to wait for my upcoming videos covering navigation simulation, 3D terrain simulation, and real-time GPS navigation.